how to share trial reels to everyone on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Google Play Store application on your device and search for Instagram just to make sure you have an updated version of the Instagram application. As we search for it, we can see there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So let's tap on open. And as you tap on open, it will lead us to a new page where you can simply see your profile and all your feed. Now in order to put on your trial reels and share it to everyone, you can simply land on to your profile icon. Go to your reel section, and in your reel section you do not have any trial reels. So what you can do is simply first of all tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and select on reel, and now select any of the reels. Now as you tap on it, simply select on next. And as a tap on next, here you can see there is no option of trial reels. Select on more options, and even with more options we do not have the option to put on this particular reel as a trial reel. So therefore we do not have the option of trial reels, so we'll not be able to share it to everyone. So we can directly just tap on next and post it on our feed. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.